Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your notifications with Google, full guide step by step clearly. Open your device and ensure you are connected to the internet. Locate the Google app on your device and tap to open it. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon in the upper right corner and tap it. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Scroll down to find the Notifications option and tap on it. You will see a list of different Google services that send notifications. Review the list and choose the service for which you would like to reset notifications. Tap on the chosen service to access its notification settings. In the settings, you may see options to enable or disable. If notifications are currently turned on, toggle the switch to turn them off. Wait a moment, then toggle the switch back on to reset the notifications. You can also adjust specific notification categories for more control. Once you've made your adjustments, exit the settings. Return to the home screen of your device. If you are using Google Chrome, open the browser now. Click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find Privacy and Security and click on it. Choose Site Settings from the options listed. Look for Notifications and click to enter the notification settings. Here, you can see a list of sites sending notifications. You can block or allow notifications from specific sites as needed. To reset notifications for a specific site, click on the three dots next to it. Select Remove to delete its notification settings completely. To receive notifications from that site again, revisit it and allow notifications when prompted. Now, open the Google Calendar app if you use it. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Choose your calendar from the list. Look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.